Today, with the man Lockhart himself. It's a wee while since we've seen each other actually.
Long time, George.
I think you were having a party that last day, but I didn't stay long because...
That'll be my birthday.
That's...
Birthday party this time last year, eh?
Probably, aye.
It definitely was.
You have one every year mostly?
No, I've got to celebrate the King's coronation.
Oh, right, we're having the day off, are you?
Where's the shin? I'm going to be in a 3-day bender.
Oh, right.
Let's save the King.
Aye, it's pretty windy today, eh?
Aye. Cold, George. Cold.
It's starvation. I've got my vest on the day.
Got your vest on?
Yeah.
Summit.
Summit, aye. That the new machine, aye?
This is a new machine, yes.
You see the video with Dave, no?
No.
No.
The heat video.
It's not too bad actually.
Did it get 1 million hits?
No, didn't get that many hits though, to be honest. There's that much stuff on, isn't there?
Aye.
And I've been doing a lot of other things, photographs for people and that.
Aye.
Is that the man himself?
Yes, the man himself, David Smith.
Did
What can I give you away? You shouldn't edit other fuck-ups, George.
There'll be none of those, Charles. I've never known you to have one.
You've been filming the wrong man.
I'm filming the wrong man. What I seen on Facebook anyway. Something was mentioned about
No, we'll not mention that.
No, we'll not mention that.
No, you've got to mention it.
No, right.
Didn't mention it. Did you see my comment? I think my comment got removed for some reason.
It would do it. It probably would, because you have been banned before, haven't you?
Several occasions.
Several occasions.
Several occasions. I don't think Facebook likes my sense of humour.
Probably not.
I'll have to see, George.
I'm not on your knee yet, but I might land here.
Yeah, that's where you want to be, you old bugger.
No. I'm not into men.
You're a mark, that's
No.
the way of us.
Nah.
As I said in our favourite famous video once, my butt door's firmly shut.
I would say, aye. So is mine. Certainly is. When did he start here? Just today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, alright.
I'm lasting well, I've lasted 2 days.
Aye.
I think I'll make it to the 3rd.
Oh, I'm sure. Will you finish here today, will you?
I hope so, there's only 2 fields to go.
Oh, right.
That was a major disaster.
Well, these things can happen, as we know.
Oh yes, everybody's human.
Yeah. I was going to ask you, did they have the baby?
David?
No. Not yet.
No,
not yet. Oh, right.
Still in the oven.
Still baking.
Still baking. Another 20 minutes.
So there's nowhere else cut, is there?
No,
Not yet.
No. Only Mr. Murchie cut. Well, to my knowledge.
Right. I missed Graham Ray down at Jamieson's.
Oh, you missed them?
As far as I'm aware, anyway.
They're maybe hiding for you, George.
Probably.
I can't what they're like.
But I got something I've never filmed before. What?
Oh, do what, Ken?
Oh no. Planting sugar beet.
Planting sugar beet?
Yes.
Really? Yeah.
Yes.
Where was that?
Jim Nelson, Seafield.
Oh, he's got a sugar beet harvester, right?
He has indeed. Now today, it's very, very windy. I'm down at Seafield, just outside Annan, Nelson family. So, never ever filmed beet being sown before. But it's a tremendously windy day. I'm on my DJI Pocket 2. I have the external mic working, possibly anyway. I'll take some with my iPhone later on just to make sure I've got some footage. A very nice family. They're telling us they've just bought a trailed forager and it's possibly going to be out within the next fortnight, depending on the weather. So hopefully get to see that when that happens. Very, very handy. It's very close to home. So it was very interesting to see the sugar beet seed. And today we have a John Deere 2650. And a 6-row beet planter. It's an H917 GSM number plate on the tractor there.
Aye. That's probably why he's sowing the beet, aye. But he said it was a bit of a disaster, they got frosted. And they lifted them with the frost on the, maybe shouldn't be saying this on camera. And anyway, they just went to mush, I think. I see a field of oilseed rape up there. Who's that? It's the Nelson's in Booterstown.
Right.
Got a hive of bees in there, believe it or not.
You have?
Aye.
I would imagine so, aye.
Nice yellow flowers for the bees to feed on.
How long do they flower for, normally?
I don't know, 3 weeks or a month maybe.
Right, right.
I'm not really an oilseed rape specialist.
But I see Jamieson's got a lot of maize in this year.
Aye, an awful lot.
Aye. I don't think he's had maize before, is it? Never like that anyway.
Surely not, it's before.
Oh, that's it. He's telling us to
I've been given the go-ahead.
to head away, aye. Well, I didn't want to head on, he's moving into your road. You must know how good a driver you are.
I think they're staying clear. Oh, the mighty 7.5, no, it's a mighty.
What kind of horsepower is this then?
Oh Christ, it's like AK, George.
Half of them will be dead by now anyway, likely.
No, it's been chipped to the max.
Right. It's one of my favourite tractors, to be honest.
From my 7.7, like.
Well, after your 7.7, of course.
After my 7.7, this is your second favourite.
I was just looking at that the other day. I've still got the photographs of 10 all those years ago.
She's dying in this job, so we've got a full load on.
Pretty near, I think.
All the sides. Like David's trying to make a monkey out of us. Grab your head up with the knee, George.
Right, you're determined.
Usually not like that on the camera, not pointing at you.
Still learning how to bloody work it.